Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I am going to show the process of how to colorize the eyes in your portrait images. Let's begin the tutorial. For this tutorial purpose, I am using this image. If you want this image for practice, check the download link in the description. Coloring of an eyes isn't that much important in portrait retouching. But if you want to color the eyes, you can do this, and this is easy. Before coloring eyes, I will suggest you to retouch the eyes first. If you want to retouch eyes like brighten the eyes, adding details, enhancing the overall eyes, you can watch my last video. Okay, first we need to select the eyes. To select the eyes, I am using the elliptical marquee tool. Drag the mouse and by holding the spacebar, you can move the selection, move and adjust the size and release the mouse key. To select the other eyes, you have to choose the Add to Selection icon from the top. Then repeat as the first one. After selecting both eyes, it is time to softening the edges of the selection. Placing the mouse cursor in the selection area and right-click on your mouse and choose Feather. Keep the feather around 2 to 5. Feather soften the edges of the selection. OK, now by selecting the eyes, press Ctrl or Command J to make a new layer which contains the selection areas only. Here is our new layer contain the eyes only. To colorize the eyes, the first way is the Hue and Saturation Adjustment layer. Click on the adjustment icon and choose Hue and Saturation. Move the hue slider to right or left. You can see our whole image colors are changing. But we need to change the eyes only. To keep the change only for eyes, we have to keep it just for the selected eye layer which is located beneath this layer. Create a clipping mask to make this change only for the eye layer. You can do this by clicking on the dedicated clipping mask icon. Now see, changing colors is only working for the eyes area which is our underline layer. Let's unclip it now. You can create clipping mask by shortcut keys also. Hold Alt or Option and place the mouse cursor between two layers, and you will see this clipping mask icon and click once. You will get the same clipping mask as you created before. After clipping mask, now you are free to change the colors as like you want. You can change the colors, can change the saturation value and also the lightness. Let's choose a bluish color. You can adjust saturation and brightness. I usually reduce the saturation because naturally eyes don't contain that much color. They looks bit desaturated. But you can go as your choice. Let's check the before and after. This is before. And this is after. You can change or modify the colors at any time by double-clicking the adjustment layer. This is our first way. Let's hide this hue and saturation layer and let me show you the second method. Create another adjustment layer, but this time choose Solid Color Adjustment. Select any color first. Then go to the blending option and choose Color Blending option. Boom. You get the color, but this time also it affect to the whole image. We need to clipping this layer also. Hold Alt and place the mouse cursor between these two layers and click once. Using the adjustment layer has a bunch of opportunities. You can masking it, can apply multiple blending option and obviously the opacity control. At any time double-clicking the layer, can change the colors as well as the lightness and the saturation also. But in solid color you have to do it manually. This is the most saturated area. This is the most desaturated area. This is the most light area. This is the most dark area. And this is the hue slider. Play with Photoshop and you will get the idea. Cool. You can change the opacity at any time also if you want. In this way you can change the colors of eyes easily. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this tutorial. By following these steps you can create any colors for the eyes and can make the portrait more attractive. Before signing out, please support this channel by subscribing and hit the bell icon. I will be back with another tutorial in next week. Till then, take care and do something creative. Goodbye.